Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect QuickBooks Online to Shopify for accurate bookkeeping, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect QuickBooks Online to Shopify for accurate bookkeeping, follow these steps. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Next, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Apps. In the Apps section, click on the Find Apps tab. Use the search bar to type in Shopify. Select the Shopify app from the search results. Click on the green Get App Now button. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account. Enter your Shopify credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you'll see a list of permissions required by QuickBooks. Review these permissions carefully and click Install App. Now, return to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Select Settings in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Account and Settings. Click on the Advanced tab on the left side. Scroll down to find the Manage Your Connected Apps section. Here, you can see Shopify listed as a connected app. Return to the QuickBooks dashboard and select Sales from the left-hand menu. Click on Customers to verify that your Shopify customers are syncing. Next, go to Products and Services to ensure your Shopify products have synced correctly. If needed, adjust any product details for accurate reporting. Now, navigate to Banking from the left-hand menu. Click on Update to refresh your bank transactions. Check that your sales from Shopify are appearing in the bank feed. If they are, select the transactions you want to match with your sales receipts. Once matched, click Add to record them in your books. To further ensure accuracy, review your financial reports. Go to Reports in the left-hand menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.